Whether you're looking to get started with SMS or add more variety and spice to your messaging, you're in the right place. I'm Greg Zakowicz, an e-commerce marketing expert in Omnisend, and today I'm going to cover 5 types of SMS messages that will have your subscribers clicking so hard their thumbs go right through their phones. Now before we begin, a quick note. If you're serious about growing your email and SMS sales, click that subscribe button so you don't miss other e-commerce marketing videos that will show you how to do just that. Alright, let's get to it. Now the first type of message I want to showcase today is flash sales. Because most texts are read within minutes of receipt, the immediacy makes flash sales a perfect promotion to use with SMS. Now flash sales are short-term sales lasting an hour or two up to a full day. Now these types of messages are great for clearing out excess inventory, creating a sense of urgency to shop, testing incentives of promotions, and providing something unique for SMS subscribers. Let's look at a couple of examples. You can see with these first 2 examples, both brands use an image known as an MMS message to communicate the sale, but also supplement it with short text. Now, images aren't required for all messages, but they do a good job of quickly communicating the urgency of the sale. Now, this example from Joe and Love, you can see their sale lasts 4 hours. Now, it's a short window, but definitely long enough to shop. Again, they use a sense of urgency to their advantage, and I, for one, love it. The next type of SMS message is last chance reminders. Last chance reminders are great for squeezing a little more juice out of that promotional lemon. Again, SMS is more immediate, so making sale expire reminders a great message option. Because the offer is about to expire, consumers are faced with a sense of urgency to shop, and that's a good thing. These last chance reminders are great for giving a little sales bump to current promotions, high volume shopping days like Black Friday and Cyber Monday, and of course, creating that sense of urgency. Now here are a couple examples. As you can see, they're all short and to the point, reminding the recipient of the offer and when it expires. And look at this example from Where. They mention not only that the offer is about to expire, but they can also get an extra 10% off for being an SMS subscriber. Talk about showing your subscribers a little extra love. Which brings me to my next message, early or exclusive access. Now because SMS is a first-party opt-in channel, you want to grow and retain your subscriber list. The way to do this is to provide subscribers with something a little unique or special perks. The most common way to do this is to open a sale early for SMS subscribers and to offer SMS-only sales. Now, these early access sale messages are great for providing exclusivity and a VIP feeling to your program, creating a sense of urgency, and for testing promotions and offers. Now, early sales provide an exclusive feel for your SMS program and give people a reason to check their phones when that text chime dings away. Now look at these examples from Pura Vida. They mention subscribers have 6 hours of early access to their spring break sale. Now what I love about this is that they combine exclusivity and a sense of urgency to their messages while not excluding the rest of their audience from the sale. Now this other example from Foldies gives SMS subscribers a 1-day head start in the Black Friday sales, and that to me seems pretty special. Now in both cases, the messages make customers feel valued, and that indeed is the point. Now one more benefit to these exclusive sales is that you can test different promotions such as types of discounts or product specific offers like on coats, pajamas, and sweaters to see what your audience responds to best. You don't need to run exclusive sales all the time, but use them to your advantage and promote them as a reason to sign up for your SMS on your sign up form. Now the 4th type of SMS message for today is new arrivals and pre-orders. What's better than getting an SMS with good news like the hottest new fashion line is in, that action figure you wanted is now available for pre-order, or that new and improved lice shampoo is finally out? It's a good feeling. Now, these messages are great for providing exclusivity and a VIP feeling, creating a sense of urgency, and creating excitement about your products. Let's look at a few examples. You can see 2 from famous YouTuber and one of my son's favorites, Mr. Beast, announcing new products. I will say, chocolate bars are pretty good. Now, these others all introduce new product lines and even pre-orders for new products. And what I love about each message is that they mention the exclusive nature of the products, creating that sense of urgency. Well done. You can see with each of these new arrival announcements, brands use MMS to stimulate the recipient. And though it's not required, it is a smart tactic. The final type of message I want to look at today is back-in-stock messaging. Now, back-in-stock emails convert nearly 8,700% better than promotional email campaigns. And it makes sense. These are popular products. So why would SMS make them any less popular? Well, they wouldn't. Email and SMS together are like peanut butter and jelly. Wonderful apart, better together. So back-in-stock messages are great for creating a sense of urgency. After all, they may sell out quickly. using social proof to drive decision making, and creating excitement about your products. Now here are 3 back in stock examples from brands. Notice anything they have in common? 2 things jump out real quick to me. First, they use images to show customers the hot product. And second, they all create a sense of urgency by telling the customer to purchase before they sell out again. Now, why would messages like this not work? As far as creating the messages themselves, Omnisend can help you do that in seconds to minutes. And if you want to learn how Omnisend can increase your email and SMS sales for less than the competitors, check out omnisend.com or visit the link in the video description. Now there you have it, 5 types of SMS messages you can add to your texting arsenal, which include flash sales, last chance reminders, early access, new arrivals and pre-orders, and back in stock messages. Creating messages like this will give your SMS program variety and increase your sales. And it's so easy to do. So do it. Or if you don't want to increase your sales, just comment "new phone, who dis?" in the comment section. To learn even more about how SMS marketing can help you increase your sales, check out this video right there. Until next time, happy texting.